The moment you first look at the Toyota Avanza, you might think it's just another practical family vehicle. It doesn't rely on flashy styling, oversized wheels, or powerful performance figures to grab your attention. But that first impression doesn't tell the whole story. The Avanza has earned its reputation for a completely different reason. It has become one of the most trusted family vehicles in many parts of the world because it consistently delivers what everyday drivers actually need. Reliability, efficiency, comfort, and practicality are the qualities that define this vehicle. And once you spend time behind the wheel, it's easy to understand why so many owners remain loyal to it for years. Welcome back to Auto SUV. Today we're taking a closer look at the Toyota Avanza to find out what makes this MPV such a popular choice. We'll cover its design, interior driving experience, practicality, ownership costs, and whether it still deserves a place on your shortlist in today's competitive market. Stay with us until the end, because we'll also discuss the real ownership experience that many reviews don't spend enough time talking about. Starting with the exterior, Toyota has taken a simple but effective approach. The Avanza isn't designed to look aggressive or overly sporty. Instead, it presents a clean, modern appearance that feels timeless. The front fascia features Toyota's recognizable styling with a neatly integrated grille, sleek LED lighting on higher trims, and well-balanced body proportions. Every design element serves a purpose rather than existing purely for style. It looks confident without trying too hard, and that's exactly what many family buyers appreciate. As you move around the vehicle, you'll notice how efficiently every inch of space has been used. The tall roofline and upright profile aren't just styling choices. They maximize interior room while maintaining compact dimensions that make city driving much easier. This balance between exterior size and interior space is one of the Avanza's greatest strengths. It feels compact, enough for crowded streets yet spacious enough for growing families. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice that practicality takes center stage. The cabin layout is straightforward, clean, and easy to understand. Everything is positioned where you naturally expect it to be, making daily driving simple and stress-free. The dashboard features a modern infotainment display, easy-to-reach climate controls, useful storage compartments, and a driver-focused layout that prioritizes convenience over unnecessary complexity. While premium luxury materials aren't the focus here, Toyota has clearly prioritized durability. Most surfaces are built using high-quality hard plastics that are designed to withstand years of everyday use. The switches feel solid, the controls operate smoothly, and the overall cabin gives the impression of long-term reliability. This is exactly the kind of interior that continues to look good even after years of family use. One of the Avanza's biggest advantages is its seating configuration. Unlike many vehicles in its price range, it offers 3 rows of seating, making it an excellent option for larger families or anyone who regularly travels with multiple passengers. The front seats provide good visibility and comfortable support during daily commutes, while the second row offers generous legroom for adults. Even the third row is surprisingly usable for shorter trips, something that cannot be said about many competitors. Storage flexibility is another area where the Avanza shines. Fold the rear seats, and the cabin transforms into a highly practical cargo area, capable of carrying luggage, groceries, sports equipment, or business supplies. Whether you're heading out on a weekend road trip or simply handling everyday errands, the flexible seating arrangement makes adapting to different situations incredibly easy. Technology has also improved over the years. Depending on the trim level, drivers can enjoy smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth, USB charging ports, steering wheel-mounted controls, a clear touchscreen interface, and modern convenience features that make every journey more enjoyable. Toyota understands that today's buyers expect technology to enhance their driving experience without becoming complicated, and the Avanza delivers exactly that balance. Once you're on the road, the Avanza immediately feels approachable. The elevated driving position gives you an excellent view of traffic, making city driving less stressful and parking much easier. The steering is light, predictable, and confidence-inspiring, allowing both experienced and first-time drivers to feel comfortable almost immediately. This easygoing driving character is one of the biggest reasons why the Avanza has become such a dependable daily companion for families around the world. Under the hood, the Toyota Avanza focuses on efficiency rather than outright performance. Its engine is tuned to provide smooth, predictable power delivery for everyday driving. Around town, acceleration feels relaxed and controlled, making stop-and-go traffic easy to manage. On the highway, it cruises comfortably at normal speeds, although it's clear that this vehicle was never designed to be a high-performance machine. Instead, Toyota has prioritized long-term reliability, low running costs, and dependable operation, qualities that matter far more to most family buyers. Ride comfort is another pleasant surprise. The suspension does an excellent job of absorbing bumps and uneven road surfaces, creating a comfortable experience for both the driver and passengers. Road noise is kept reasonably low for this segment, and the cabin remains composed during daily commuting and longer road trips. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or spending hours on the highway, the Avanza delivers a calm and confidence-inspiring driving experience. Fuel economy is one of the strongest reasons people choose this vehicle. Toyota has engineered the Avanza to maximize efficiency without sacrificing practicality. In real-world driving, owners can expect impressive mileage that helps reduce fuel expenses over time. For families, commuters, and business owners who drive frequently, these savings become significant throughout the life of the vehicle. Lower fuel consumption also means fewer stops at the gas station, making everyday ownership even more convenient. Safety has always been an important part of Toyota's philosophy, and the Avanza reflects that commitment. Depending on the trim level and market, buyers can expect multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic stability control, hill start assist, rear parking sensors, a reversing camera, and other essential safety technologies. These features work together to provide additional confidence and help protect occupants during everyday driving situations. However, the real story begins after you purchase the vehicle. This is where the Toyota Avanza truly separates itself from many competitors. Ownership costs remain impressively low. Routine maintenance is straightforward. Spare parts are widely available in most markets, and Toyota's global service network makes servicing convenient almost anywhere. These advantages reduce stress and make long-term ownership far more affordable than many alternatives. Reliability is perhaps the Avanza's greatest achievement. Toyota has built its reputation by producing vehicles that continue performing year after year with minimal unexpected problems, and the Avanza proudly carries that tradition forward. Many owners keep these vehicles for hundreds of thousands of miles with regular maintenance, making it one of the smartest long-term investments in its class. Resale value is another major advantage. Toyota vehicles are well known for retaining their value, and the Avanza is no exception. When it's time to upgrade, owners often find strong demand in the used car market, helping recover a significant portion of their investment. Combined with affordable insurance and low operating costs, the total cost of ownership remains extremely competitive. Of course, no vehicle is perfect. Buyers looking for luxury materials, premium cabin finishes, powerful acceleration, or cutting-edge performance, technology may find the Avanza too modest for their expectations. It isn't designed to compete with expensive luxury SUVs or sporty crossovers, and Toyota has never intended it to. Instead, it succeeds by focusing on the needs of everyday drivers who value practicality over prestige. For growing families, daily commuters, ride-sharing drivers, and small business owners, the Avanza offers exactly what matters most: dependable transportation, outstanding versatility, excellent fuel efficiency, comfortable seating for multiple passengers, and ownership costs that remain affordable year after year. Those strengths explain why it continues to enjoy such a loyal customer base around the world. So, is the Toyota Avanza the right vehicle for you? The answer depends entirely on your priorities. If you're searching for excitement, breathtaking performance, or luxury features, there are other vehicles that may better suit your preferences. But if you're looking for a dependable family vehicle that delivers excellent value, practical space, impressive efficiency, and the legendary reliability Toyota is known for, the Avanza deserves serious consideration. At the end of the day, not every great vehicle needs to be loud or flashy. Sometimes the smartest automotive decision is the one that quietly improves your daily life without demanding constant attention or expensive repairs. That's exactly what the Toyota Avanza delivers: a practical, dependable, and trustworthy companion that's ready to serve your family for many years to come. Thank you for watching Auto SUV. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews, comparisons, and automotive updates.